Kowere gi mago mag yiero ma chenro bende koro dhi nyime ni koro kambi mar ong'we yamo mar Safaricom olando kinda mantiere kinde kod tudruok kod riwruok pinje mangima mar United Nations. Jata tije mar kambi no Peter Ndegwa olero ni koro thuon wach ma higa ni chenro ma bende kamano ne en kinda e kinde kelo lokruok. Wacho ni mano koro dhi miyo giyara nena ohala ma ok geti customers mekgi kende to kata jogo duto te bende koro dak e alwora kuonde ma bende Safaricom chopo mano e piny mangima.
This year's theme, as you've heard, is resilience through transition. And I think it captures the mood of the business environment we are currently operating in during this COVID crisis. The purpose of this report this year is to share our successes, our failures, and the challenges in an open and transparent manner. And this is in line with our brand promise of being simple, transparent, and honest. We have published the sustainability report since 2012, and because we believe we have a duty to raise the awareness of the sustainability challenges that we face in society, and to ensure that this remain part of the discussion in Kenya and regionally. This year in particular, more than ever, we've had to show Safaricom's strength as a digital and technology service provider because we become a lifeline for many Kenyans during this pandemic.